Hey guys, it's Morgan coming to you with another moto vlog. I'm kind of enjoying doing these things where I just ride and talk to you guys about stuff on the bike and stuff that we're doing and all that stuff. So anyway, let me know in the comments if you guys like this format. Also, this is going to be interesting because it's going to span 2 days of riding. One day is with my buddy Foxy Bibs. That's the first day. And then the second day is with my kids out of Peach Valley. And the first part is at Delta, the second part is at Peach Valley. So it's a little bit different. It's not what I would normally do for a moto vlog, but let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. I really appreciate when you guys do comment. Also, just so you guys know, when you comment, it really helps our numbers in the algorithm and gets our video shown to more people. So if that's important to you, you guys want to help us out that way, that'd be cool. Say hi, tell me where you're from, what kind of stuff you like to ride, whether you like or hate the video. Without further ado, here's my, I guess, moto vlog number 2.
His bike actually started this time because it's above 30 degrees. No, it's actually been running really good. We are out here, we're gonna go have fun, whatever, so join us for the ride, but we're also gonna be trading bikes. I'm gonna make him ride my 300 and see what he says about the way that thing runs. And then I'll ride his with the Electron when it's not freezing wide open. So yeah, let's go do this. I could not see. I said, I followed your dust into that last hill climb. Yeah. I couldn't see anything, and I didn't know there was like, it's a trough. Yeah. And I just clipped the edge and was like, you know, just lay down. But it was like, I couldn't see anything. I learned my lesson. I'm backed off.
That is loose.
That is so loose. Where's the bibs? Probably gonna bend the crap out of my pipe down here, but Yeah.
Switch.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. All right, Trail Foxy's 2019 Villatron. I can already hear it kind of want to ping when I roll off the gas. You hear that thing? That usually means it's a little on the lean side. Which is how these metering run, carburetors kind of run, but usually they're super smooth, which is like the trade-off kind of. The suspension is really good because it's CVT also. And even though this is a TX, he's running his spring forks like mine. He's gonna have us convert his air forks that came on this bike to the new WP air cone valve. So guys, make sure you stick around and subscribe to the channel because that should be really cool. We're getting our full PVT setup here very soon, so we're going to be doing some really cool suspension stuff, guys, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. What do you think?
Pulls.
Yeah.
It's good in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about those foot pegs?
Well, actually, I was missing stuff a couple of times.
Well, because they're back.
Yeah.
Like the
I actually forgot. I didn't even notice them.
yeah, think about them a little bit like in the G outs.
Yeah.
Just like, you know, because it's a weird thing. It's not like you notice them all the time,
Yeah.
but there's times where you notice it go, it's like you can feel it
Yeah.
wiggling with you.
I feel the front end pushing a little more than mine. So.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one feels good. It could be, I don't know, I've just put that tire on there. That's a V Moto, which in the powder,
Yeah.
it seems like it's not that good. Everywhere else it feels really good. But
Yeah,
I feel like I feel like I was struggling with it in the real soft stuff too.
Yeah, soft corners through there, it wanted to push.
Yeah, I think it's the tire more than anything.
Right.
Yeah, this thing's good. You can tell it's lean on the bottom because you go like that, it goes door, and then
I still haven't adjusted it.
well, then when you roll off, it goes ting. Just it kind of tings a little bit. It's just
It up a little bit.
I would richen it up a half turn.
Your bike feels bigger. That seat feels much softer than the first time I sat on it.
Well, it's a new seat.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's new. The base is the same old seat, but I got another piece.
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice. I love this seat. Like, everybody gives me a hard time about this seat. I like it.
Yeah.
It does feel big. It's got a big tank too.
Yeah, it does feel bigger than mine. Yeah.
It's got a big tank, and the seat I think makes it taller too.
Well, I think the Huskies are a little shorter.
Yeah. Well, it's because the linkage. The linkage bike, the linkage KTM's are shorter too. Like my 125 is quite a bit shorter than this. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, Bibbs. Oh boy. Decision time. I don't know if you guys can even see that. That's a long way away for a GoPro, but that is steep. Yeah. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, Bibbs. Guys, there's no way you can tell how steep and how gnarly. Yeah, buddy! Woo! There's no way you can tell how bad that is. That is ridiculous. I'm not even gonna think about that. That is gnarly. Quick plug for Moto tires. He's running a Force AT just like I am. So that means that I don't have any excuses, but my excuse is I'm not into that. Oh, I'm proud of you.
Oh, my pants.
I bet. Dude, that when you stopped right there at that little rock outcropping, I was like, oh boy, that looks terrifying. That is legit. Like I'm impressed. Oh my god.
That middle section,
Yeah.
you need to be like right on the top end of the power.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah, it's like the whole thing's just squirting around. I'm like,
Yeah.
don't feel that good. I'm just pussing out like dude, that stuff is in my head. Babe, this is gonna make me look silly. No problems. Nice. Hill climbs. Yeah, I'm just not, there's something about that steep stuff, man. I don't know what it is. Probably can't pull third because I'm a tooth bigger on the front.
I'm 1350.
I'm 1450.
Oh, okay.
So there's no way. I mean, even with, I mean, because it does have a crap load of horsepower, but like, I gotta try it one more time. Hey guys, it is day 2 of dirt biking. We're out at Peach Valley today. I'm with the boys. They are currently somewhere out there hunting rabbits or prairie dogs or whatever little varmint decides poorly to pump its little head up in front of them. They got their rifles, they're out there having fun. Then we're gonna go for a ride. But right now, after riding with Foxy Bibs yesterday, man, I have got to work on some drills. That dude is an amazing rider. Like, I am way better at going like fast and just letting things kind of buff out and deal with it. But I could go a lot faster if I had the skill that he has. So I am going to go over here in this training area, and I'm gonna do some practicing. I'm gonna do some figure eights for a while, then I'm gonna practice some pivot wheelies and just slow wheelies and just stuff like that. Things I gotta practice while the boys are out having fun, and then after that we'll go for a ride. Guys, it's always these skill things that are just hard for me to get ready to like into practicing. Oh man, this is such good practice. I just got to keep doing this stuff. I just like going fast and just going for rides. I really got to change my mind. Yeah, I gotta switch my brain, because I really want to get better. I really want to compete at the top of the A class, and I'm just not there right now. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying this moto vlog. It's over 2 days. I hope you're having fun with that. It's funny, Foxy Bibs did not think my bike was all that much more powerful, and to me it just feels way stronger. But you know, his bike runs really good, like really good. I just still don't like that Electron. It's just lean on the bottom. Hopefully he can, you know, tune that out. But part of the problem, guys, the reason that they're like that is they don't have a pilot circuit on the forward side, on the motor side of the slide, like normal carburetors. So when you crack the throttle, there's just a little bit of a delay to get fuel there, and then that's why you get that tongue as you come off. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna keep putting around. The boys are over there. You can't see them, but they're over there racing each other. So I'm gonna keep practicing. That wasn't pretty. That was awesome, dude. Yeah. I'm just gonna adjust some stuff. I don't know, what do you guys want to do?
Let's do the Eagle Rally up.
Yeah,
okay, let me hang on. Let me just, while we're sitting here.
You can take a break, you and I might cut around here.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm just adjusting some clickers. Go ahead.
All right,
I'll come get you. All right, guys. So the boys are gonna go be ridiculous. As you heard me say, I want to adjust some clickers. So what I'm feeling, just so you know, is in that high-speed stuff, and actually all day yesterday, I felt like the back end was just a little bit too fast on the rebound. There's a lot of things that can cause that. It could just be that the rebound circuit is too fast. I need to slow it down. That's the easiest solution, right? But I feel like I might be getting close to bottoming the back, and I might be bottoming like on the big G outs. If that's the case, I need to probably slow down the compression so it doesn't compress so far, which then will allow the rebound to work right. Because what happens, if you guys don't know, if you compress too far, now you're fighting that spring like really, really hard, when you might not, you know, maybe you shouldn't be. And so and then it's just trying to go. You can slow it down with the rebound, but I think I'm going to try to put a little compression back in it, compression damping that is, back in it to slow that down so it doesn't compress quite so far. And then the fronts, I'm noticing that I'm pretty much all the way bottomed out. Well, maybe, I don't know. It's got a little bit of room, but I'm going to tighten up I'm going to slow down the compression on that too. I mean, the bike feels great. It feels awesome. I'm not complaining, but you know, we're out here tuning, we're testing, we're practicing, so might as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a couple clicks of compression on the high speed for the shock, or excuse me, on the low speed for the shock. Then I'm gonna add probably like a quarter turn of high speed compression damping on the shock also. We'll start there. And then I'm gonna add a click of the low speed compression damping on the forks and a click of high speed compression damping on the forks, and we'll see how that goes. All right, let's see how they do. Here we go.
I'm kind of tired, so I'm just gonna take it nice and smooth.
Yeah, just take it nice and easy. Let's try. You know what we should all do is not try to go fast, but try to go as smooth as we can. Yeah. I like it. That's all right. Still running, it doesn't even count. This is actually way slipperier, or excuse me, way more slippery than the last time I came of it. Oh, the snow is melted and then run down on the rocks and then frozen again. Here we go, see how they do. Yeah, Thomas! Yeah, Ewan! Yeah! Nice work, boys! We go 1, 2, 3. Up, almost.
I got it.
Yeah, he was just trying to do not right behind you. Thomas, roll back a little bit. Roll back. Come on back. Okay, now hit it hard. Yeah, there you go. Can we just, I want to ride up Horse Trail. You guys can just hang out at the bottom. Can we just ride over to it and then we can just go up and down real fast?
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay.
We'll just wait.
Yeah, yeah. All right, well, I haven't been up Horse Trail with this motor yet, so the boys are just gonna hang out. They're not dying to try this thing quite yet, and I don't blame them. It's a heck of a deal. It's definitely my nemesis. I'm going to change the battery here real fast. Alright, we're going to come into it in a second. Oh yeah. Oh, this motor is good. Quite a bit easier. Definitely easier than on the 125. That second of all that, the second here. I botched that a little bit, but funny, that's usually not that hard. Suspension felt good too. Felt like I wanted it. I think I'm like everybody else. I fiddle with my suspension too much. I should just leave it alone. That should be good to test the spoosh downhill too. This is a better setup than I had it yesterday. I don't know. I gotta quit touching things. Just leave it alone, like I tell everybody else. Yeehaw!
Good job going up Eagle Valley. Good job. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Yeah. You guys killed it that time. That was great.
No, you have to film it. I'm doing a Pepsi commercial.
Okay, here, Pepsi commercial. Does everybody want a Pepsi now? I think so. Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty good though.
They're good cold.
I know. Better than I thought they would be.
Great.
Oh, that's taking good.
Right on, guys. The boys are back out by themselves. Thomas took my 300 for a spin. I went ahead and got geared down. I'm tired. I did a whole bunch of drills. I threw the bike on the ground a bunch, picked it up a bunch. So, but I think it was good. Actually, I made some good progress on practicing the slowly wheeling it up and pivoting and then doing lots of figure eights and things like that. So, stick with us on this channel. If you're new here, if this is the first video you've ever watched with us, stick with us. Let's see if I improve. I think I will. I'm pretty excited about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that 2-day moto vlog. That was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun with Foxy Bibs and with the boys out here at Peach. We live in such a wonderful place. It's all super, super close to us. So anyway, I'm gonna boogie. I hope you guys get out and spread the gospel with two wheels. And you know what I'm gonna say? I desperately hope that what we're doing here at Highland Cycles is inspiring you guys to work on, but really more importantly, get out and ride your dirt bikes!
Yeah.